today we're doing Missy Missy. So, what you doing?
Yeah, all right, friends. Hey, like Keelin just said, we're going to be drawing and coloring Kissy Missy.
Yeah.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, I'm 590
Yeah, and make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can get all of our videos.
Yeah, 590
Let's get started.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to start up here towards the top of the page, and we're going to draw 2 circles for her eyes.
Yeah. Like, what's this?
And then we're going to draw 2 little bit smaller circles.
Yeah.
Inside. Like that. And then we're
I
going
saw
to
that.
draw another circle on the side right there. So it looks like that. And let's go ahead and color in.
Do it up, huh? Yeah.
Thanks. Good job to you too. We'll color those in. Just so we can see that they are the eyes. Now, one difference between Kissy Missy and Huggy Wuggy is that we're going to add some eyelashes.
We should
So,
draw Freddy's.
Freddy's?
Yeah.
Maybe so.
Yeah.
Maybe next time.
I was to deep about that.
So we're just going to do some little lines for eye. Okay.
I was too deep about that.
All right, here, let's clean off your face.
I was too deep about that.
Okay. Next, we're going to draw the mouth.
Yeah.
And it's going to start
Yeah, boy.
up here, kind of towards the top of the eye. And it's going to curve down under the eye, up and under the second eye, and then back up again. And then it's going to come down and back up. So it's going to look something like that.
We should draw Missy Missy Hawaii.
Okay, maybe next time.
Yeah.
And we'll draw the bottom lip. Just a line like that. And then for the top lip, just a line that follows that same line. Now, we're going to draw the teeth. And we're just going to make some big teeth in here.
Yeah.
Because both
Who does have
Kissy Missy
real
and
teeth?
and Huggy Wuggy, they got lots of creepy teeth.
Yeah. These are way sharp teeth.
And let's start over here in the
Yeah.
corner of the head. And we're going to do some zigzags. Then we're going to bring it down. We're going to meet up
I
with the chin.
find
We'll draw the top of the head. It's going to circle
down.
a little bit loop down. More zigzags over here. And then we're going to follow the contour of the head down to the chin. All right.
Yo.
So now we'll draw the bow tie. We'll draw a little square right here. Then we're going to draw the loop. It's going to come down and back up.
Huh?
Then we're going to start here where we started before and connect right there and make our way back up. Then we're gonna draw-
Ado. Ow. Ow, Ado. Ado.
and then
Ow.
this side we're just going to do just the opposite direction. So loop back up to the square, start right here. It's going to match up there and then back up to the square.
Wait.
Just draw some lines down to connect them.
What are you doing?
Now let's draw the arm. We're going to bring the shoulder down just on the side of the bow tie. Okay. To the elbow. Then we're going to go back up. And she has a really long arm. And this part's her wrist, and it's going to be kind of big, and it's going to go smaller as it goes to the elbow, and then smaller as it comes back up by the bow tie. Now, we're going to draw this line all the way down towards the bottom of the page. And then her ankle's going to be right here.
Ado.
And it's going to be big, and it's going to get a little bit smaller as we come up to the torso.
We do teeth Ado Wilson.
And we're going to draw her leg back straight down again. And then they're going to have some zigzag down here by the ankles again. That's going to come over here.
Hey, Paul,
And-
I might
Yep. For her other arm, we're just going to bring the shoulder down like this to her wrist, zigzag, and back up to meet up here. For the arm, or for the hand, we'll do a little thumb and some fingers like that. For the other hand,
don't listen me.
for the other hand, we'll do something similar like this with the thumb and fingers. Now for the feet, we'll do kind of a boot shape. So we're going to come around here and back up, and then a little bit of a heel like that. We'll go ahead and do that.
I don't want
So this one, yep. Doing the opposite, the heel.
Why is it on me?
And there you have the drawing of Kissy Missy.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and color it. Well, friends, we had more technical difficulties, but we got to the drawing part, and then we ended up coloring it and finishing it, and this is what they look like. So what color is Kissy Missy?
Pink.
Yeah, we made her all pink. We made her with a blue bow tie, and she has yellow hands. Thanks for joining us, friends. See you next time.
I just do toy by my own.
All right.